welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add extension in Tachiyomi. So first thing you have to do is make sure you have your Tachiyomi app installed, and once you have it installed, you open it up, and once you open it up, you're going to see the home page just like this. And once it's like this, the next thing you have to do is go click on browse, and once you click on browse, you're going to see different extensions right here. So you can either choose to just install one of these extensions from here. After installing, you can choose to add extension from browser. So you just click on settings, so you click on more, you click on settings, and once you click on settings, you scroll down to browse. Once you click on browse, you can see extension repos. So once you hear how do you add, you can see the add right here. Click on add, and here is where you add the repos URL. So you just go to your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice, and you're going to search for Wutaku extension. So you click on that, and once you click on that, it's going to show you different extensions. So you can see the manga extension right here, and also the anime. So you can just click on URL or just click on installed, and it's going to take you back to your Tachiyomi. Click on add, and you have added a extension repos. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.